How to fix create sticker option missing on TikTok. You're trying to create a sticker on TikTok, but the option is just gone. Super frustrating, right? Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, I'll explain exactly why this happens and how to fix it step by step. Welcome back, I'm Daniel, and today we're breaking down why the create sticker option goes missing on TikTok and what you can do about it right now. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly understand what TikTok stickers actually are. TikTok has two types: custom image stickers you create from your own photos, and video stickers, which are TikTok videos converted into GIF-like stickers that can be sent in direct messages. TechCrunch, both are found inside your DMs, not in the video editor, so if you've been looking in the wrong place, that's your first fix right there. Now here's why the option might be missing for you. Reason 1, you're looking in the wrong place. To create a custom sticker, go to a chat in your inbox, tap the emoji button, then tap the favorite star button, and you'll see the Create Sticker Plus button there. TikTok, it's only accessible from inside a direct message chat, not from your profile or the main feed. Reason 2, your account doesn't meet the age requirement. You must be at least 16 years old to create video stickers and to allow others to create stickers from your videos. TikTok, if your account age is set below 16, this feature will simply not appear for you. Reason 3, your app is outdated. An old version of TikTok often hides newer features. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for TikTok, and hit update if one is available. Reason 4, a glitch or cache issue. Go to your phone settings, find TikTok under Apps, tap Storage, and clear the cache. Then reopen TikTok and check again. Reason 5, the feature isn't available in your region yet. TikTok rolls out features gradually by country. If none of the above fixes work, your region may simply not have access yet, and unfortunately there's no workaround for that. Pro tip: once you create a custom sticker, it gets added to your messaging favorites and can be used in any of your chats. Just press and hold a sticker to remove it from favorites anytime. TikTok, keep your sticker collection clean and organized so your favorites don't get cluttered. So to recap, check you're looking inside DMs, make sure your account is 16 or older, update the app, clear your cache, and check if it's available in your region. Follow those 5 steps and you should be good to go. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips just like this one. Still having the issue after trying all these steps? Drop a comment below describing your problem. I read every single one and I'll try to help. It's been Daniel, see you in the next one.